Well, hey, all, welcome. Well, it's time to change my pool pump again. And when I say again, I am not a happy camper because I just changed it about 9 months ago. But I didn't go with a Hayward pump. I went with an off-brand. They won't return my emails, so I'm stuck buying a new pump. So I decided to go ahead and get the best one I could find, and that's the Hayward. I'm going to go ahead and open up this box, put it alongside the old one so that you can see the plumbing connections and make sure they match with yours. Then I'm going to install it and let you see that. Inside the box, you'll find the pump, the owner's manual, which also includes warranty information and a couple of bushings in case you need to adjust the input or output sizes. And as you can see, the plumbing connections are identical on both pumps, which means there is minimal plumbing work for me. I've installed the pump now and it's working perfectly. And my advice to you is skip the off-brand option and go with the Hayward. Thanks for watching.